Welcome back to the NExT Appraisal Tool modules. This module addresses question 21. Are the study results clearly explained? Scientific articles should clearly discuss the meaning of the results compared to repeating the results. The discussion or interpretation of the results should be clear and easy to understand. A discussion of the results should be consistent or have a logical flow with the study purpose and the framework used by the researcher. If a hypothesis was stated, the discussion of results should be described as being consistent with or different from the expectations. The author should describe why they think that occurred. Let's review this passage of an article to answer our appraisal question. O'Connor and colleagues examined associations between the presence of a daily routine and older adults' health status and urgent health care utilization to determine whether higher levels of daily routine mediated associations between the socioeconomic position and health outcomes. SEP in this excerpt stands for socioeconomic position. You may wish to pause the recording and then restart when you're ready. Formulating an appraisal response to this passage, the answer is yes. The discussion was clearly written. The authors tied the results back to the hypothesis and expanded the reader's understanding of the results rather than merely restating the results. Congratulations! You successfully completed this module. You may return to the main menu or continue to other appraisal modules and the NExT EBP course.